Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style. Now under wallpaper and style, locate change wallpaper and click on that. Then here, select the wallpaper you want to set as your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G wallpaper. You can use color, you can use graphical, you can select photo from your gallery, you can also use features. So go ahead and select the photo you want to use. Once you selected it, click on done at the top right. Mark you can select up to 15 different photos and set it as your wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Then here, you should see how your home screen is going to look and you should see how your lock screen is going to look. So go ahead and click on next. Once you hit the next button, then you should see this pop up. On the pop, you can go ahead and click on next. And if everything looks blurry just like this, what you need to do is click on what you want to edit. Then come here, change the font, or better still, come here, change the clock type. And then after that, you also want to change the color. So click on it again, change the color style. Come here to change the color to match what you have on the screen to make it more brighter. So here I just selected, let's say red, click on done, then you have it like this. Then you can also come here again, change it to something else, and then click on done. So you see that? And then you are good. Once you hit the next button, then go back to the home screen, then you should see your wallpaper change like this. On the lock screen as well, you should see your wallpaper changed. So that's exactly how to change wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.